Alright, hey guys. Today I decided to do a video on it's like my plans for the summer and my minimalistic EDC, like only a few items that I'd carry every day. So first part, like account update kind of thing, summer. This weekend I just went to outside of Montreal, Canada, KOA campground, about 20 minutes from Montreal. I went to the city, went to a souvenir shop, picked up this. It says Montreal. It's a moose taking a shit. That was pretty funny. Like $11. Canadian stuff is rip, but I don't care. It was a fun trip. So, I went to the botanical gardens, Japanese, Chinese. Went out to eat a couple places. I didn't speak a word of French. I forgot all the French I learned in school. That's pretty much stupid, but let's move the camera down, tripod a little bit. Okay. So here's something I want to say. I have a video on my broken Kershaw leak. I sent that out last week, and I should be getting it in a couple weeks. Fixed up, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna EDC that. So what to do? An account update on my Toledo knife. I have a video on this, and the Tandy sheath I bought from Amazon for like $7. It's not that bad, but the knife does slide out, which sucks. But if I carry it like this on my belt loop facing down, then I don't see the point of it being bad, because it's not going to go like that. But I don't care. So, still snaps well with the sheath. The knife all dirty and messed up. I'm going to have to oil that up, but yeah, I love this knife. Given to me by my grandfather from Argentina. So, let's close my laptop and I have an idea. Unplug it. I'm going to set my tripod on top of my laptop. I'm smart. No, okay. I don't want it in the way, so I'm just going to display a few items. That's why I don't want it in the way. So, there's that knife. Love that. Love that knife a lot. Okay. Holy shit. I have like a mini tripod, like that big, so it's kind of crappy. My big one broke, so you know what? I don't care. Let's just set this out like this, then you can see it better. Okay. You know what? Why not display the moose where you can see him? He's gonna be my new buddy for videos. I'm gonna keep him around. Okay, so I want to do another update on another knife, just my like half custom knife. This sucker. Took this, wrapped it up, made a sheath out of paper. So overall it's pretty good. I have a ton of like bamboo and stuff with it, I'm gonna try to add some jimping. We'll see how that works out. I have another one of these knives, so I don't care if it breaks, but try to add jimping. And yeah, I mean, I'm batoning with it. It's pretty good. Light cutting, light use, meat cutting, really good. Okay. have, let's see what I was gonna say. I have a package out for someone. They know who they are, so hopefully that'll get to them. I'm just pretty much rambling, kind of. So, the EDC part. Okay. Always with me, I have 5 items. Okay, so the first one is my watch. I have it on, obviously, my G-Shock. Right front pocket, tenacious. Always have that. My trifold wallet. Did a video on that. And what? Hold on a second. I always have my skull candies. I'm wrapping them up now because I'm gonna stuff them in my pocket, go out for a bike ride. Maybe I can use them, listen to my music, but I'll show you those in a second. Hold on, sorry about that. I'm just wrapping them up. I don't want them to break. I've had them for a while. My smoking buds, they're really nice. Given to me by a friend. Okay, that's pretty much it. Occasionally I'll carry my iPad. One. But not all the time. It's kind of big. And another thing, my cell phone, my new cell phone, my BlackBerry Storm. I absolutely love this phone. No typing problems whatsoever. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty fast. I'm gonna do another video on this, but that's it, guys. I mean, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers. I mean, I barely have any, but I don't care. It's fun to make videos. But yeah, that's just my pretty much everyday carry, except for these two and this. But just a quick video. Alright, guys, talk to you later. See ya.